Welcome, today in front of me DOOGEE S86 Pro, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail accounts on this device. So first you should launch the Gmail application, and after that click on the right upper corner. Here you'll see two Gmail accounts now, and now just to log out from one from these accounts, you should log out in application. We should log out from the Google account and our device. So how we can do that? So first we should click here to manage accounts on this device, and after that select one from these two accounts. For example, we'll log out from the first one. Click here and tap to remove account. After that, confirm your changes by click to remove account again. Then now you can see that in Google account settings we stay only with one Google account, and after that when we'll go here into the application, we can see that we stay here also with only with one Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.